All right, so we're out here in Peoria. What we're doing for the customer today, they had a roof tile fall off their roof, and they had a vacuum breaker that was feeding their pool line, and it knocked that copper stub out and made the whole assembly crooked, and it crimped the pipe right inside of the wall. So what we're doing is we already rebuilt the line inside of the wall, got a new stub out, and then we're gonna rebuild the vacuum breaker line and feed it down to the pool filler line. As you can see here, we got that new copper stub out, got a new T on there, new hose bit for the customer, and then here's our new pressure vacuum breaker, which is protecting the house water from the pool water, and then we got all our new piping down to the ground.